Pedders control arms provide improved performance with simple installation. The key benefit: Pedders control arms are supplied with mounting hardware and bushings, making installation easier and more efficient. Pedders control arms are engineered with enhancements to the original equipment design. These improvements include reinforced forging, improved ball joint design, and more durable bushings to provide better tyre wear, longer service life, and improved confidence. They're a high-quality upgrade that will help restore geometry and alignment. Plus, the simple install process also helps avoid damage during disassembly. Finally, the entire range of Pedders control arms are backed by a 2-year, 40,000K warranty.